When you start with a folder gluer, traditionally you have manual packing at the end and you will be limited by the packing. So the speed of your gluer goes so fast that the people can't keep up, so that's your bottleneck. By adding a packer, you unlock speed on the gluer, so you can raise much faster speed. That's where we come in with an ERGOSA, so that you can increase the speed on the folder gluer and reach new heights, reach new speed, and get performance out of the folder gluer, so that you can use it at its full potential. Going the traditional way without a packer, you just couldn't keep up the speed. Even if you have 2 or 3 or 4 packers, it's a matter of organization of the workstation. You could not reach those speeds in a traditional way. So that's where the ERGOSA is a workstation organized ergonomically so that every movement is strategic. Everything you do, you take the boxes, you don't have to move all the way around, you have the shelves, you can place your samples, the cases, they're all there. So it's about organization of the workstation too. It's the kind of the hidden advantage of the ERGOSA. On this demo, what we've done is set it up so that we can reach max bell speed on the gluer and see that the guy packing is not breaking a sweat. It's easy. He can still inspect boxes and it could go even faster. So you can reach higher potential. It's kind of reaching this higher performance by automating some part of the system to reach new heights and then automate other parts of the system to reach even higher performance. Challenge us to get more speed out of your gluer with the ERGOSA.